YouTube channel for 20 December. That was day 112. Day 112, 20 December 2022. So this is a Tuesday. This is my wife's birthday. I spent the day celebrating with her, and we had her started with breakfast. We went out and had breakfast. Then I did my exercise, 45 minutes with a 5-minute jog. Then I went to the supermarket and picked up a few things. Then we all went, the whole family went to the movies. It was the AMC Dining In at Disney Springs. We saw Avatar 2. It was a 3-hour movie. Really great special effects. We really enjoyed it. It was a little bit long, but it didn't feel like it, but it wasn't the best movie I ever saw, but it was probably the best special effects of any movie I've ever seen. So that was worth the price of admission, and we had a good meal at the movie theater. It's it's not cheap to do that, but it was very good for the occasion. So we did that, and then we came home. Several hours later, had a birthday cake, and then I finished the day paying some bills. So that was my day for day 112. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow.